Hello everyone, and a huge, massive, and genuinely enthusiastic welcome back to the podcast. I'm your professor and host, and my friends, I'm absolutely bursting with energy because we are diving into the most exciting part of the BIM world today, Dynamo. Thank you so much for tuning in. You've made a commitment to automation, and I appreciate that effort. If you are loving what you hear and finding these tips useful, please do me a solid favor. Don't let this knowledge train leave the station without you. Hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps us grow this amazing community and ensures you're always the first to get the latest lesson. We're building a Dynamo empire together. Setting the stage, our multidiscipline mission. For those of you working with Revit Dynamo 2024, whether you're tackling tricky architectural facade designs, optimizing structural framing, or coordinating complex MEP runs, you know that mastering the right nodes is the absolute secret sauce. Today, we are kicking off a fantastic series where we will systematically break down the most essential, impactful, and real-world tested Dynamo nodes. We're going from the most fundamental to the most advanced. Our focus is multidiscipline, giving you tools that work across the board, with some great examples from complex facade BIM projects thrown in. This is not just theory, folks. These nodes are proven to slash hours off your schedule. I need you to promise me this: practice, repeat, and let this knowledge integrate into your professional DNA. Repetition is how you turn a new concept into an intuitive, career-boosting skill. Today's game changer, the cornerstone node. Yes, for those of you asking, I am going to stand by my recommendation. The first node we absolutely must master is the one that forms the backbone of almost every serious Dynamo script. It is the most powerful, versatile, and efficient node there is. Node name: code block. Think of the code block as the Swiss Army knife of Dynamo. It lets you write quick, text-based instructions using a language called design script. If Dynamo were a recipe, the code block would be your secret, potent spice. Ha ha! Why the code block is king: the multidiscipline advantage, efficiency, and canvas clarity. It allows you to replace a messy string of separate nodes, like number, add, multiply, and sequence, with one neat little line of code. Cleaner canvas means less time debugging and more time designing. Nobody likes Dynamo spaghetti. Fast list generation. This is crucial whether you are creating 100 level offsets for a high-rise structure, calculating the X, Y, and Z positions for curtain wall panels, or generating a sequence of pipe diameters. The design script syntax for ranges is lightning fast. Conditional logic. It's the easiest way to bake in rules. For example, if the insulation thickness is greater than 100, text, then set the fire rating to 2 hours, else set it to 1 hour. Simple logic, huge automation power. Real-world sample, facade grid spacing. Let's look at a practical, common task: generating the X coordinates for 15 structural mullions on a repeating facade grid. The mullions need to be spaced 8 meters apart, starting 2 meters from the building origin. Step 1. Place the node. Double-click anywhere on the canvas. That's your code block popping up. Simple. Step 2. Input the design script, the range operator. Inside the code block, type this simple, elegant line, dissecting the script. 2. This is our starting value. The first mullion is at X equals 2. Number 15. This tells Dynamo, I want exactly 15 items in this list. Point 8. This defines the step or increment size. The spacing is 8 meters. Step 3. Check the result. Connect a watch node to the output. You'll instantly get a perfect, calculated list ready to drive your Revit geometry. 2, 10, 18, 26, 34, 42, 50, 58, 66, 74, 82, 90, 98, 106, 114. Boom. One line of code. Infinite power. Your homework and final motivation. This small example shows the immense power of the code block. Your assignment this week, Dynamo learners, is to try that exact range operation and then comment below or send us a message with one other simple function you managed to achieve with the code block. Practice makes perfect. Remember this: learning BIM automation is like building a house. Start with the strongest foundation, the code block, and everything else will stand solid. When the learning gets tough, just remember why you started: to automate the boring stuff so you can focus on the amazing design work you were meant to do. Every line of code, every practiced node, makes you more valuable, more efficient, and frankly, a BIM superstar. So, keep practicing, keep repeating, and keep building that automation intuition. And please, my sweet listeners, if you have found any value here, take 1 second and subscribe. We cherish every single one of you and we need your support. Let's dine it. Cheers! Have a great vibes, everyone. See you on next lesson. Positive vibes, everyone.